This morning Mike and I are at the Kasilof River. We're at the Crooked Creek State Recreation Area. Parking is $5 for the day, or you could, if you have an RV, you can camp here for $20 a night. There's no power or hookups.
More tent campers here than I've seen in other places.
Right? So I want to take a look here.
The rig's working really nice this morning.
Good.
Right along.
Getting a good drift.
Yeah.
Well, we fished here for quite a while. Mike had one on briefly, and I caught a little Chinook smolt. We saw one other king on with people down below us here. So we're gonna move on down and explore more of the river. See if we can find us a fish. A guy with that raft went on that island too. Yeah, probably this first river, but not the second one. I want to stop at this next stair platform and video where we were just fishing a little bit. All right, go down here and try another spot. We've sure had a nice time fishing here at the Kasilof River, Crooked Creek State Campground. Mike had one on. I caught a tiny little smolt. That's been about it for us. We've seen a few others hooked. It's Father's Day. A lot of fathers out here enjoying the day fishing. Anyway, we've had a great time. It's been a peaceful day. We've had a lot of fun. Sure hope you enjoyed seeing the river with us.